Each and everyone, especially to you, ma'am. My name is Margaret Yadigan, and today I'm going to explain to you about the Fibonacci heap code. So this is a Python code that implements a Fibonacci heap data structure. So let's break down every code step. Let's break down the code step by step rather. So the first step is creating a Fibonacci tree class, or creating a Fibonacci tree. You can see that here in the comment. So the Fibonacci tree is represented as a node sa Fibonacci heap. Each node is a tree itself. So, excuse me. So this is the code of it. Wait a minute. Hanggang dito. Creating a Fibonacci tree. Now let us know yung bawat code dito, bawat steps. Or naka-divide kasi ito siya. Ito, like for example, itong def init self value. So, ito siyang construction nag-initialize ng Fibonacci tree with a given value. With a given value child. It's a list na nagsistore ng children and order represent the number of children or degree. So, ito naman siya. Itong def add at end self t. So, in the comment, it says, adding a tree at the end of the tree. So, it means it is a method that adds a tree, which is symbolized as t, as a children sa ating current t. So, ito yung nag-update ng order accordingly. Next step natin is creating Fibonacci heap. So, the Fibonacci heap class implements the core Fibonacci heap with functionality. So, medyo mahaba-haba ang kanyang steps. But, let's break it down one by one, okay? First is this def init self. This initializes an empty Fibonacci heap with an empty list of trees. List pointing to the minimum element and count number of elements. Next is insert node. So here we are going to insert a node, which is obviously naman. So, ito makita nito, that's these parts. Hanggang dito, it's about inserting a node. So, insert a node with a given value into the heap. This updates if less necessarily. Next is getting the minimum value, which is the def get min self. So, ito siya it returns the minimum value ng heap. Next is we're extracting the minimum value. So, medyo mahaba yung code niya. From here to here. So, extracting the minimum value or def extract min self, this remove and returns the minimum value ng heap. It involves the adding the children of a minimum node doon sa main list ng ating tree. Then, calling consolidate or they are union together para to maintain yung ating heap structure. Next is consolidate the tree. If you're not familiar with the word consolidate means joining together or union. So consolidate the tree, it starts from here. So def consolidate self hanggang wait a minute lang po. Hanggang wait. Hanggang dito pala. Here. Hindi kasi naklaro to. So, what is consolidate self? It is very a crucial part because they are the one na nag-iterates doon sa ating trees. They are merging trees of the same order para ma-maintain yung logarithmic bound ng ating numbers of trees. It usually use an auxiliary array ox to help the merging process. I think I see that one. This is the ox order. That's one. That's the one. Okay. Next is step 3, which is the floor log function. So this function actually calculates the floor of our base 2 algorithm. So the implementation, they use the matfrexp. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Mat.frexp, which is not the most efficient way para i-calculate yung floor ng log base 2, but it actually works. Naging efficient yung method when it comes to use a bit of manipulation. So, sa baba yung mga example usage na ng ating ating Fibonacci Heap, where wait a minute lang po. Magiging output pala nito, forgot to explain. I think will be the output. Hindi pala na Let's us run kung gagana ba siya. Yeah, that would be the output. So the minimum value of Fibonacci Heap is 3, and the minimum value 3 is removed. So instead, in the improvement consideration, we have the floor log improvement. Minute, parang nandito, minute lang po. I think we have it in here, but let's see it. Wala pala. So, these are the code in Fibonacci here. We insert the node, mga 7, 3, and 17. And we print the value of it, which is quite obvious to our node that 3 is the minimum, so it is our minimum value. And we extract this. We remove the number 3 node. So, each of it na naman siya, like, ba tawag nito? Sa bawat get min, sa extract min, sa insert node, para na structured na yun siya. Step by step. Like ito, class Fibonacci, we just call out the class of it, and we put it in here. This Fibonacci heap is equals to Fibonacci heap of the class up there. So, this Fibonacci heap, just insert node in here. So, that's all the code ng ating Fibonacci heap.